Have you ever heard of a village called San Juan Chamula? San Juan Chamula is a little traditional village in the cheapest region in the south of Mexico. It's known for having kept Mayan traditions, clothes, and language. But besides that, it's also known to be the region with the highest Coca Cola consumption in the world, 2.25 liters per day per person. Most of us love a nice fresh can of Coke, and we all know some people that are addicted to Coca Cola and drink more Coke than water. I'm sure you're thinking about someone, but this can have serious consequences. Let's see what happens if you replace your water consumption and drink 1.5 liters of Coke every day. Firstly, you'll notice physical appearance changes. Number 1, extreme weight gain. 1.5 liter of Coke contains 645 calories. This represents approximately 1/3 of the daily recommendations from the World Health Organization. Considering your recommended daily calorie amount is typically reached with food, this extra 645 calories will transform into body fat. If you drink one 1.5 liter bottle of Coke every day without reducing your daily calorie amount or increasing your exercise, you'll gain about 1 kilogram every 2 weeks, or 2 kilograms per month, and 24 kilograms in 1 year. Also, all the sugar contained in Coca Cola leads to addiction and causes random sugar cravings during the day, so it will make you eat junk food and therefore further increase your calorie intake and your weight gain. A concrete example of that has been brought by Georges Pryor, who experimented drinking 10 cans of Coke per day for a month, more than 3 liters. At the end of the month, he gained 10 kilograms. After he stopped the experiment, he lost 2 kilograms in only 4 days by simply stopping drinking Coke. Number 2, bad teeth. 1.5 liter bottle of Coke contains 159 grams of sugar. This combined with phosphoric acid can cause severe damage to your teeth. For information, phosphoric acid is often used as detergent, fertilizer, or to remove the rust from metallic items. Number 3, skin dryness. Drinking only Coca Cola is not equivalent to drinking water, so even if you drink a lot, you can be dehydrated. Skin tissue consists of 70% water. The first manifestations of dehydration appear on the lips and skin, making you look tired, pale, and will cause red patches and a loss of elasticity. But more important than external appearances changes, this overconsumption will seriously impact your health. Here are the most common diseases you can get. Number 1, liver disease. The body doesn't need that much sugar. As Coca Cola is a liquid, it is more easily absorbed by the intestines. It goes then to the liver that transforms this sugar into fat. A lot of people are affected by fatty liver disease without knowing, but this can have serious consequences if it's not controlled and can lead to cirrhosis. This disease, related to obesity and diabetes, is the first cause of liver transplantation in the U.S. Number 2, kidney failure. Unlike other sodas, Coca Cola opted for phosphoric acid. This gives Coca Cola its unique flavor and covers this excessive sugary taste, but it's suspected to be harmful for kidneys. American researchers asked 500 people affected with kidney failure about their diet. They observed that the risk of kidney failure is doubled from 2 glasses of Coke per day. However, this hasn't been proven for other sodas, which use citric acid rather than phosphoric acid. Number 3, bone fragility. Besides kidney failure, phosphoric acid is also suspected to cause osteoporosis, fragility of the skeleton, especially to women. Researchers found out by observing 400 young women addicted to Coca Cola that the daily consumption of Coke triples the risk of fracture for teenage girls and increases the risk of bone fragility in the long term. Plus, it doesn't appear that an increase in calcium intake would compensate the osteoporosis risks for the biggest Coke consumers. So after all of that, do you still need proof that Coca Cola is harmful? Okay, let's see how San Juan Chamula habitants are doing. 60% of the cheapest population is obese, and diabetes is the 3rd cause of death. These bad health conditions also explain why the death rate of COVID-19 in Mexico is twice the world average. It's not too late for you. Don't wait to have health issues or to be told by your doctor to stop. Decide now to reduce your Coca Cola consumption. You can start by reducing to 1 glass a day only. And for the future, keep it only for special occasions. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification.